today's video. So I'm sorry the lighting is a little different in my bathroom. It's more warm toned and I didn't bring my ring light in here. However, I did want to get this video up for you guys because Duvolle did send me their Sonic skincare brush, and I have worked with Duvolle before and they sent me their Radiant skincare brush, I believe. And I believe I have it right here, and I have used this one as well. You guys have seen it. It's been about a year since they sent me this one, and I've had to replace the battery like once or twice, but other than that it works great. And so they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their new Sonic skincare brush, a little bit different. So we're going to be unpackaging the package that they sent me and we're going to give it a try. So this is what their Sonic skincare brush looks like. They sent me this one, and they did also provide me with a discount code like they did last time. I will put it up on the screen. It's jamilynhammon70, and that'll give you 70% off any of the facial cleansing tools and the hot tools. They told me it'll give you guys 70% off, so you guys need to definitely do that. And just to disclose, this video is not sponsored and I'm not getting compensated. They just reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to collaborate and try this out. So that's what we're going to be trying out today. And I have used this one time before and I really did like it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my cleanser on it and give it a shot. So we're going to be trying out the Sonic skincare brush today by Duvolle. It just looks like this. Has a little bit of a kind of cool mirrored effect silver chrome detailing on the bottom here, and then it just has the cleansing pad right here. I thought this design was very, very cute. I'm not a big pink person, but I am super excited to give it a try. And it does look like it has strength levels on it for the face, so there's a plus and a minus sign, probably for the higher stimulation that you want on your face. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a try, you guys, and we'll see. Let's see what the directions say. So it is advertised as a silicone electric facial cleanser, deep clean skin instrument is what it's called. And so it says this product is high-tech beauty tool designed for facial cleansing. For my cleanser, I'm going to be going in with my Birds and Bees facial cleanser. This is for sensitive skin and it has cotton extract in it. Absolutely love, 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 love this. So I'm going to go ahead and put just a tiny little dab on the cleanser. And I'm going to push the on button. And then I'm going to just go in circle motions. Right off the bat, it's not super... So you definitely do probably have to turn up or like increase the speed with the vibration, because the first setting is really not that intense, I guess you could say. You couldn't really like feel it on the face. But this is really, really nice. I do feel like it's cleaning. Wow, I really like this. Duvolle does make pretty good products, you guys, and I would highly recommend jumping on my discount code, because instead of paying $95 for this and about $100 with shipping, you're paying $28.50. So that's an amazing deal. Gets you a good cleanser brush. And once again, I'm not getting compensated or making any kind of money off of the sale. It's really just for you guys as my followers to use. And I don't know how rigorous you guys' like routines are of your face or in the shower, but you can use this in the shower. It's just like this one. You can use both of them in the shower. They will not shock you. I literally keep this one in the shower and it's never hurt me, shocked me, anything like that. And the battery pack has never corroded anything. Like, it's very, very good for getting wet in the shower. Like, it's shock proof, everything. Same thing with this guy. I am pretty sure it is waterproof. The battery pack, just like this one, Duvolle advertises that they pretty much cannot get water in the instruments or anything like that. So that is really, really cool. A lot of companies, they'll give you like a warning label and they tell you that you're not allowed to use it in the shower. So I really do feel like that is a big, huge thing for someone like me that doesn't want to have to remember to take something out of a drawer and use it on my face. I would definitely just leave it in the shower and use it, you know, like have easy access to it. So that's really nice. And then I usually let my cleanser sit for like a few minutes. I don't know if you guys do that. If I wear makeup, then I'm definitely more like rigorously like scrubbing on my face. I don't have makeup on right now, and I did do my first part of my routine in the shower, which I also use my cleanser and stuff like that. But then after the shower, I use my toner, my oils, stuff like that to bring my face back to a normal pH. And then you guys did not see in this video, I did not do my vellus cleaning that I did in my last video because I've already done that this week, and I usually only try to do it like once a week. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse off that cleanser, and I will be back to show you guys the second part of my routine. Okay, so now that the cleanser is off, I'm going to move into the second part of my routine, and this is where I go in with my serums and stuff like that. And I will tell you guys, first impressions of this, I really, really do like it. I'm so happy. Thank you, Duvolle, for sending it to me, and I'm very thankful again for you guys wanting to collaborate. It means a lot. I'm still small here on YouTube, so it does mean absolute most to me. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'm going to finish up this video by putting on all my serums and getting basically the rest of my face routine done. So then the other two products, you guys have seen these on my channel before. I just use the Tatcha The Essence Serum and the Tatcha Violet C Brightening Serum. I really do feel like these have made a huge difference in my skin. I did not pay $100 for this. It was actually sent to me in an influencer box, and it is so bougie, and I have yet to use it all. So I'm really just kind of trying to get it used up. I've literally been using this for over a year. I'm not even kidding you guys. But it only takes like a pea-size amount, and I kind of just put this all over my face and then let that kind of dry in for like 10 seconds. Then I go in with the Violet C Brightening Serum, and then I do a little tiny pump of this as well. I've had this for over a year, and I kind of just put this everywhere where my freckles are in hopes that it will lighten them, because it's not that I hate my freckles, it's not one of my favorite features on my face. So then for the very last step of my face routine, I'm not going to be doing a mask or anything because I did already do that this week. I do like to go in with a toner, and one of my favorites as of recently, I did have this sent to me. This is the Humphreys Witch Hazel Alcohol-Free Toner, and it has rose in it. And it just looks like this. And this as well only takes a little tiny bit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Only takes a little tiny bit, and all I do is open it and get some like cotton rounds, and you guys can find these literally anywhere. I think you can get these at the Dollar Tree, and you just take one like this and you put a little tiny bit on the cotton round, and then this is just my last step to my face routine. And this is just going to put hydration and bring your face back to a normal pH, kind of get all the impurities. And I know you guys are probably saying like, oh, you just like wiped off all those serums you put on. Serums actually sink into your pores, so you're not really wiping anything off but touching the surface of your skin. And I love the way this smells. It smells so good. I don't know if you guys have ever smelled witch hazel, but it smells so good. It just makes you feel like your skin is just clean, you know what I mean? I would be going in with some type of molding mask or something of that nature. I did have some Dermalogica samples from Salon Centric that I wanted to try. So this is the retinol clearing oil, and so it just says directions at night, smooth 10 drops over a cleansed face and neck. So I am going to use this because I am trying to use these little samples that I have. And it just says to massage this all over your face and neck. So we're going to go ahead and add another step in there because why not? So then after that is applied, I would honestly just kind of let that soak in, and then I usually just either do like a face mask or something of that nature. But like I said, I already did that for the week, so I'm not going to be doing that. Sometimes I do go with eye creams. Like I have this eye cream by Strivectin that I really like, and it's just the multi-action restorative cream, and it just looks like this. This is actually a sample. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, I do really like this one, and sometimes I will just pat that underneath my eyes if they're like puffy or I haven't slept really a lot, and then I will just go in with my lip balm. And I really do like this lip balm. You guys can't find this, I don't think. My mom's friend makes it, but this is just really nice, and it's all natural ingredients, so I always put that on my lips. So any lip balm or lip mask that you have, I would highly recommend hydrating your lips in your night routine, or your facial, you know, routine, or your self-care routine. It really doesn't matter, because putting that hydration back in your lips through the times of where it's like windy and it's dry outside is really going to help your lips, you know, look the best whenever you're wearing lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, lip liner, anything really on your lips that you put on. You really want it to look good. And people message me all the time like, oh, why do my lips crack when I wear, you know, lipsticks and stuff like that? 9 times out of 10 it's the hydration and the base underneath your lips of why the product doesn't look right. Just like it's the same thing with your face. If you don't have a good base, your product's not going to look good on top of the surface. So it's the same thing. But if you guys did enjoy this video, if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel down below, become part of my jam fam. I would love to have you guys here on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one.